NRM members, I want to thank them for participating eagerly in big numbers in electing their leaders. Members have shown keen interest. They have tried as much as possible to see they put in place the leadership they trust. If you did not perform, they don't vote for you. So I want to thank the NRM fraternity for participating actively and having these elections. They were fairly peaceful. We had very few cases of interruptions, but in Kampala they have been fairly peaceful, and I thank the security for really monitoring and maintaining security where required.
How have you done it to make harmony in the voting process?
The voters, and like I said, people have actively participated, and people are really eager to have the rightful leaders and the support of security in maintaining law and order. We have tried to secure all the polling areas where necessary, and the people have been very supportive not to entertain or allow non-members to be in the vicinity of the election. And the leaders, even in other areas, should learn, if you are showing violence at this stage, then what example are you setting? Violence, election is supposed to be a democratic process, not a violent process. If you fail and you think there are irregularities, there are procedures to appeal. Follow those. But involving voters into violence should really be avoided. Friday, all districts of Uganda, even Kampala, we have voted from village, parish, sub-county levels. This Friday on 23rd, we are going to elect the district leaders, and people are nominating, and I invite all the people who are the eligible voters, because these are college voters. In each district they are known to come. The colleges should come out and vote their district leaders. So I urge all members of the NRM fraternity who were voted from ground to sub-county level to come and select their district leaders on Friday. And I urge everybody, these elections should be free and fair and peaceful. People should have their choice and avoid violence, and again urge security to really go and enforce where it requires.